Hello guys. In today's video we will see that how we used our signature technique to make like more than $2,100 by using only $400. It is a no, I would not say it is a low balance, but yeah, it is a very mediocre balance. But yeah, it is easy. Then using like smaller balances like $50 or $60. But still it is not very easy to like trade as much as a starting from $1,000 where your profit margin is really high. But yeah, it is easy as compared to very smaller balances. So you will see that our like the size of entries will be higher from the starting and will be like probably will reach our target quickly. But you will see the time of the video will be usual because I will try to edit as minimum as possible so that you can see every speck of the trade. For some, it may become boring, like you. You'll only see the up-down going market, but for some of you, you will find it very much like amusing and you will find many things to learn. And you can see we have placed buy entries instantly so that you can we can get profit. Now we have placed the trend line on the screen for you, and after that we are going to place the lower bar on the screen and then we'll place the upper bar on the screen. That's something usual and most of you will be aware of that. And we are still trying to place the my entries, and because of the leverage issue, we are not able to do so. So, yeah, we are about $305 in profit, and now we are constantly doing it, and we are thinking to may go more and more, and we will do as I told you that we have, since we have a mediocre balance. So we are probably not start. Just something like $5, $6, it just started from $200, and once you will just. It is very normal for a medical balance. So, yeah, I have reduced the size of entry so that the market would slow down for me, because sometimes trading in a very fast going market or very up larger differences between the jumps. So it can be dangerous for you, and we have successfully doubled our balance. And now we will be looking towards closing the trade, and let's see. So now you can see we have closed at about $418 in profit and the total balance is $818. Now we will be using this balance of $818 in our next trades and see that how much can we make with the help of this and this balance. Is also you can see it is a good balance. So yeah, first of all we'll adjust the size of the entry, and you can see we have to 0.5, and now we have started to sell. We have started to pay sell entries, and there you can see we are continuing to do so, and we'll just be making more out of it. So yeah, that is normal thing. You can see we have reached already $300+ in profit. Even though before we place the arrow line on the screen, because you can be say sometime you will notice that I sometimes instantly start to place entries while talking. Because sometimes you find a good entry, then you don't have time to place any upper bar lower bound arrow line for your decoration. Instead you just grab the opportunity, and there you can see the upper bar and lower bar and the airline have been placed, and also I've been placing more and more salient trees with full margin, and there you can see we are just already more than $2,700 in profit, and it is a great profit. So yeah, from just a starting of $818 for this particular trade, and yeah, this is a good trade. So there I was talking about that. We just don't just if you are decorating your the screen for you, then you should instead of that, you should focus also on that trade. So yeah, we'll just. So yeah, most of you would have noticed that the chart is still, and there will be just a test towards criticizing, but that's because just of internet issue, and as I told you, I have not edited any major part of the video. So that's why you have to see this. And we also because that is also part of the trade. So yeah, you can see we crossed like about $3,000 in profit till now. And there was just for a while that it stuck just because of the internet. And now you can see the last minute motivation hit and we just stopped doing that and we stopped stopping the trade. So yeah, we are just now looking to close the trade and we are more. We have exceeded $4,000 in profit and we are looking to make more. And but yeah, again, the last minute motivation hit because sometimes as I always say, that true potential of your trade is hidden from you and you are like struggling to find it out and making something good out of it. So yeah, that is something which we should like know probably about that. And there you can see we closed our total of $1,629 in total balance, which is very great. It is somewhat about $6,800 of profit and it is a very great profit for us such as trade where we just started using $818 and if we talk about the very starting value that was just $400. A mediocre balance. So yeah, that is something really good. So now we have seen that I have adjusted the size of 100 to 3, which is a pretty large size. So I've placed the sell entries instantly. So now we'll be seeing that what will happen next and how can we like manage this trade and get our profit. So there you can see. I'm now placing the upper and lower bars on the screen. The lower bar has been placed, and now the upper bar is in position. I've entered the sell values, and we are already about $1,000 in profit, but it is fluctuating. But I already told you that fluctuation was never a problem as long as it is fluctuating about the same mean. So yeah, that is all that matters, that it is fluctuating about the same mean. So you don't have to get like all worked out in justice rushing towards like getting panicked. No need for that. You just have to like properly wait for your turn. So yeah, that is something like really awesome. And there you can see now we are pretty much waiting for the market to turn its course towards our direction so that we can like place more and more entries and like get our profit. So that's something which we are like waiting for and probably will get that. So let's see that what will happen next and. Where does this goes? And for also I apologize in the beginning of the video that this might be boring for some people, but those who are enthusiasts of trading and those who are to really learn something from this, they would find it like really amusing that no part is addicted from it and everything is raw for them so that they can easily learn everything clearly and like carefully. Sorry and clearly I just mixed two words and that's something very common. While commentating we're something and you are. And you are like things which are probably very much helpful for you and helpful and like profit making for you, or some things that require like more patience, that if you are patient enough then you are really. You can be really good at trading now. You can see we are about $4,000 in profit for, to be precise, it's $4,500 and it is still increasing. And of course, we'll wait for it to get its maximum potential so that we can close it at the best position possible. So yeah, we'll wait for it and let's see where this goes. Yeah. You can see it is gradually increasing but fluctuating as well. So we'll wait for it to like turn it into its best direction. So there you can see like we are going good and. Now the trade is in our direction. And there you can see we crossed 5,000 for a very bare second, very small second part of a second, but then it instantly turned back and we are still looking for it to like go somewhere good in our direction so that we can make some. good profit, and we'll see that what will happen next. So, yeah, these are something which are like pretty much possibilities for us to making good profit. And for this part of video, the market has slowed down a bit. But yeah, as I've told you that if you want to learn something, then of course we have to like check it and observe it how we active in the different situation of the market so that you can make profit as well, because that is free knowledge. And you can see we are placing entries more and more. And there you can see we have doubled our balance and we are like looking to go for more, and still the last minute motivation and we decide not to close the trade end. It is like something. It was like about we have cost $8,000 and again then $9,000 has been gross, and it has exceeded very quickly, and we are probably thinking to close it. But let's see where this goes. And probably till again increase, and we are waiting for the best time to close it, and then we closed it more than 13,000, which is like about $21,000 in profit, and it is a very great profit. So if you remember, we just started from $400. Starting balance, which was you can see a great balance, and we probably like get the best out of the video. And everything was clear in front of you. No part of the video was like, no major part of the video was edited, only the useless stuff though. And everything was clear in front of you so that you could learn it properly, and you would like also you can make profit from it. So yeah, first, you have to practice everything in order to make good profit.
This is all about this strategy, and now if you want to learn more such strategies and about trading, then you should join our Telegram channel, the link to which has been provided in the description. And also, this video is for educational purposes only, and we are not your financial advisors. Trade at your own risk. If you want this strategy, use the link in the description to get it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated. We continue to offer giveaways and other benefits for our regular subscribers who enjoy our videos, giving them significant advantages.